What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the phone number associated with your Google account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Your phone number is a crucial part of your account security. It's used for recovery if you forget your password and for verification to ensure it's really you who's accessing the account. Keeping this information up to date helps in keeping your account secure. You can use either the Google or Gmail app on your mobile device to change your phone number. If you don't have the app installed, no worries. You can also do this via your mobile browser, which is what I'll demonstrate in this tutorial, as it's a universal method that everyone can follow. Start by opening your preferred browser on your mobile device and head to google.com. If you haven't logged into your Google account, you need to do that first. You can log in by tapping on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, and then entering your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it and then select Manage your Google account. Once you're in your Google account, look for the Personal Info tab. It should be easy to find. Under this tab, scroll down to the Contact Info section. Here, you'll find your current phone number listed. To change it, tap on the Phone Number section and then tap again to edit it. You'll see a pencil icon next to your phone number. This is the Edit button. Tap on it to proceed. Before you can enter your new number, Google might ask you to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that the person changing the phone number is indeed you. After you've passed this security check, you'll be able to enter your new phone number. Tap on the pencil icon, select Update Number, and then type in your new phone number. Once you've entered your new number, tap on Next. Google will then send a verification code to your new number. This is to confirm that the new number is active and accessible by you. Enter this code in the designated field and tap on Verify. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your phone number on your Google account. These steps are designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. I've also put together a detailed guide with additional tips and information. You can find the link to this guide in the video description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.